Hello everybody and welcome back to Rainbow Brush. This is Brian and today we are going to be drawing Big Hero 6 in stop motion. Thank you so much for joining me. Make sure you hit that like, comment, and subscribe button if you like this video, or you just have something to say. Before we get started, as always, I have a trivia question for you. So Big Hero 6, the film's main setting, was where? I will let you know at the end of the video. I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you in a minute. the time has come. Thank you so much for watching Rainbow Brush. This is Brian, and I have the answer to your trivia question. What city was the film's main setting? Well, that would be San Francisco. That's right. It was a mix between San Francisco and Tokyo. That was the main city. Did you guess right? Let me know in the comments below. I love the fact that they are based out of San Francisco. Kind of a cool concept. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, of course. I will see you on the next video.